Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a radiator on a Ford Expedition. First, ensure your engine is cool. Then, safely drain the old coolant into a large pan. Next, disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent electrical issues. Carefully remove the fan shroud and any other parts that block access to the radiator. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get the old radiator out. Begin by detaching the upper and lower radiator hoses. Be prepared for any residual coolant. Next, carefully disconnect the transmission cooler lines. You might need a special tool for these. Finally, unbolt the radiator from its mounts and gently lift it straight up and out of the engine bay. Take your time to avoid damaging other components. With the old radiator out, it's time for the new one. Carefully lower the new radiator into position, ensuring it sits correctly in its mounts. Reconnect the transmission cooler lines, making sure they are secure. Then, reattach the upper and lower radiator hoses, tightening their clamps firmly. Finally, reinstall the fan shroud and any other components you removed earlier, ensuring everything is properly seated. You're almost done. Refill the cooling system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant mixture. Start the engine and let it warm up, keeping an eye on the temperature gauge. Bleed any trapped air from the system by running the engine with the heater on high and the radiator cap off until the thermostat opens. Top off the coolant as needed. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Perform a final leak check after a test drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.